Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Alexander McManus, back at it again with another video, ready to tell you all about how technology improves streaming. Now, you may be asking yourself the question, does technology improve streaming? Yes, it does. As technology improves, so does the quality of streams. On the top here, we have popular streamer PewDiePie. Now you can see his stream is pretty well made. The quality of the image is very well done, and a lot of people come in to tune into his stream. Now this is a more modern stream. 2020. On the bottom here, we have popular streamer Pokimane. Now this clip was taken back in 2019. As you can clearly see, the quality of the images is a lot worse for a 2019 stream compared to 2020. The technology used to send information to different places is improving more and more as time goes on, and quickly this will be very easy to do. I want to talk about the difference in graphics cards. So recently, the RTX 3090 was released. This is a very powerful graphics card, but because of the release of the RTX 3090, which was currently priced at $2,000, quite expensive, this brought down the price of the 1660 Ti to be a lot more affordable for the modern man. So, as more graphics cards of better quality come out, the older graphics cards, which are still just as good as they always were, goes down, which means that better PCs are going to be more affordable for everybody. And if you save money, that means you make money. Alright, so the Xbox Series X and PS5 just came out. These are the latest consoles in the console industry and are the tip of the spear when it comes to gaming. And more people are going to buy these two new consoles. And more gamers equals more viewers. As more gamers increases, it is directly proportional to the amount of viewers that want to watch gameplay of the games they play. Recently, 5G phones just released. Now, what this allows, is gonna create is that as more people buy 5G phones, the demand for 5G towers in their area will increase. Due to the demand of 5G increasing, more people are going to buy 5G phones as the 5G will be more accessible. Now, this is quite an accomplishment, and as more companies release 5G phones, um, more more 5G phones will be circulating. Now, you may be asking yourself, what are macros? Well, macros are tools to help you complete actions in a game without actually needing to complete it. With one press of a button, you can do an action. In this GIF here, uh, Narblu is completing a full 90 with one click of the button due to his macro. Now, if he chooses to use this in his competitive game, he will probably get a ban for doing so. But in a creative Fortnite, he's allowed to use as many macros as he wants because it's a casual environment. All right, now we will be talking with up and coming streamer Portgold85. Hello, poor Gold 85. How are you today?
I'm quite good, thank you.
Alright, thanks for tuning in. Today I have a couple of questions to ask you about your streaming career. What is the most important thing for a streamer to succeed?
Um, it's a very important for a streamer to have a very good PC. Personally, I highly recommend that you have a MSI GeForce GTX 1660 Ti VENTUS XS 6GOC.
Cool. Now, what was the biggest obstacle that you had to deal with to succeed?
The hardest part of becoming a streamer is, of course, the lack of money when you start your career. But again, I think, as you've mentioned, because technology is increasing rapidly, the amount of people that can afford a PC increases. Due to this, more people can uh, tune into my stream and give me money.
Epic, what is your opinion on the use of cheats in video games?
Cheaters no, are not cool, dude. But luckily for us, anti-cheats are getting better and better. So we don't need to deal with them as much.
Wow. Well, thanks for coming on, poor Gold 85. I really enjoyed having you on this video.
It was a pleasure, my friend.
Wow. Isn't it great to see streamers giving back to the community and helping others also succeed in becoming popular streamers? Alright. Well, thanks for listening, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you thought was the best part of the video. Thanks for listening.